Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question 1. Why did the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam abolish the tribal distinction in Medina? Answer. The Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam abolished the tribal distinction in Medina because he knew that goodwill and support of all the sections of the people were necessary for the creation of an Islamic state. He also knew that tolerance was necessary when different communities lived together. Question 2. What did the UN adopt unanimously? Answer. The UN adopted unanimously the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Question 3. How did we know that Islam is the greatest protector of human rights? Answer. We know that Islam is the greatest protector of human rights by the incorporation of the clauses of Medina Charter in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights by the UN. Question 4. Define tolerance and give examples from the text. Answer. Tolerance means the ability to endure the opinions or behaviors of others that one dislikes or disagrees with. We read in the text that the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam gathered all the sections of people under one umbrella. He allowed them to profess their own religions and perform their religious rites. Question 5. We must always honor our words. Why? Answer. Islam teaches us to keep our words, that is promises. Anyone who does not keep his words, that is promises, is considered as a false and dishonest person. We all are accountable for our words, that is promises, on the day of judgment. Question 6. Write an account of an act of tolerance you have shown or seen. Answer. Once a shopkeeper demanded his loan from a person in a harsh way. The person went away and after some time brought back the loan of the shopkeeper. He paid the loan and apologized for delaying in returning the loan. He bore the harsh words of the shopkeeper accordingly.